Hi friends. This week I wanted to do a styling video and I am a woman of the people. So I took to Instagram and asked you all in a poll if you wanted to see witchy outfits, how many outfits I can make in 10 minutes, or recreating Pinterest outfits for fall. And the winner, by a very small margin, was Pinterest outfits. So that is what we're doing today. Because the poll was so close, we might have to return to do some witchy outfits next week. But for now, let's get into recreating some of my favorite looks from my style inspo board for this fall that I have honestly been itching to try out. I'm low-key excited this one won. Okay, we're starting with a strong and possibly controversial look because I have just been so curious to see how this would actually look in real life. It is this Miu Miu outfit. If you can't tell what's controversial about this, it features a collared polo shirt layered over a collared button-up, which seems potentially quite bulky and weird, but it looks so effortless and cool here. She's pulling it off incredibly well. So I'm gonna try that same layering combo with similar basics for the rest of the outfit. Let's see how it looks. All right, y'all. I am shocked by how much this is working for me. I thought this would be the kind of thing where like it looks so cool and effortless on her, but then it looks completely goofy on me. But I feel like it looks really cool and effortless on me too. Who would have thought? I think having all these normie basic items to fill in the rest of the outfit makes it look really classic and like casual, but then this just adds such a fun detail. Also, if you're wondering if it looks goofier without the jacket, because that was also my concern, I would say, I mean, it looks a little goofier, but I still think it's working for me. Like, I think I would actually wear this. Mine also has sort of a stripes on stripes thing that is not in the original, but I'm super into that. I think these colors all look pretty good together. I'm very into this. I did not think I would leave this outfit wanting to actually wear it in real life, but I want to wear this in real life. And it just goes to show you don't need the designer version to get a really similar, cool, effortless, fashiony look. Next up, we're gonna try this flat lay look, which is full of incredibly cool pieces, but I think I can get a similarly cool look with my regular thrifted clothes. Oh, and this features more Miu Miu. That wasn't even on purpose. For my dress, I'm going with this thrifted plaid baby doll number, and then my leather jacket on top for sort of a casual, cool, utilitarian jacket look. I have my own chunky boots, and then to get this like chunky, colorful charm necklace look, I'm actually gonna use these same two necklaces. This one has more color, this one has the charms. And then for a bag or a pop of red, I don't know yet. It's a surprise. All right, once again, we've got kind of a banger of an outfit. This feels very like straightforward and obvious, but I don't think I've ever worn this combination before and I'm super into it. This dress is like slightly longer than I think an ideal length is on me. And I do feel like the jacket sort of laying flat on top of it maybe accentuates that a little bit, but I don't know. Like, I would definitely still wear this. I'm still into it. As far as the pop of red goes, I don't think it necessarily needs it. However, I was thinking this vest might be kind of cool, so let's try it out. Oh my gosh, I love this. This looks so cool. The plaid on plaid is really good to me. It still contrasts enough that they don't blend together. And then we have these solid pieces to anchor everything. I'm super, super into this. I think I like it much more with the vest, actually. I will say, as far as how it feels, this top half is very hot because we have a wool vest, a leather jacket, and a flannel dress. And the bottom half has almost nothing. So this would definitely be more of a cold weather outfit, and then I would have to go with some tights on the bottom, or even like layer pants under this. I think that could look cool with this too. I'm so into this. I feel like I'm getting so much inspo for the season already, just from starting to try on these outfits. I'm just feeling so excited and inspired. These videos are so fun. I've been feeling very re-inspired to style my berets lately, in part due to this particular look. So I'm so excited to try recreating this. I love that it's sort of subdued, but still has those touches of playfulness and interest to it. So I'm gonna try to do something similar with a dark neutral look, but then add that beret, and for a fun little touch of color instead of these pins, I think I'm gonna use a little neck scarf. Is this gonna be too on the nose with the beret? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here's the look. I think I'm happy with it. I did originally try this little neck scarf instead, but I don't know, it just didn't feel like it was doing what I wanted it to do. It was just like not laying flatly enough. So I subbed in this one instead, and this feels like a little long and big to be like a little neck scarf, but I think it's working better for what I wanted it to achieve here. And I do think it's cute with the beret and the rest of the outfit. I'll admit, I am still feeling quite envious of the subtly striped pants in the original. I feel like this solid on solid on solid is just a lot less my style. And despite the addition of the scarf, it feels a little basic for me. I don't know. I feel like there's maybe not enough detail or texture going on. I do still think it's cute, but I just feel like if I were to wear this in real life, I would have to adapt it a little more to get to something I really like. This is funny. This is one of the ones I was really the most excited about, but so far, probably feels the least successful to me, but that's okay. It's giving me useful information about my style and the level of like texture and detail that I really crave. This next outfit I was super drawn to because I love a graphic sweater and I have some striped pants that I sometimes struggle to style. So what better way than to pair them with a graphic sweater? I have never thought of this combo, and clearly mine is going to be a bit more colorful and bold, but I'm really excited to try this out. I hope it'll still have like the casual, easy feel of the original. Okay, I absolutely never would have thought of this outfit, and I'm in love with it. This feels so fun, so funky and playful and cool, but still has that like easy casual feel because it's just, you know, a sweater and some loose pants. Obviously this is very different from the original, but you can see how the inspo led me to something new, which is just so fun. And I think one of the great things about taking inspiration from Pinterest and recreating outfits is that you can take it in a totally different direction. So as you can see, I added this red turtleneck. I like that there's sort of a visible shirt layered in this photo, and I wanted something to tie in with the red in these stars because there's no red in this graphic. By the way, I have this folded to be more of like a mock neck situation. I just folded it down on the inside. If I just want like a little peak of a neckline, this is how I do that. Wow, I just can't stop looking at this in the mirror and being like, oh my gosh, this is so fun. You could easily throw any like neutral jacket on top of this. I can't wait to wear this as soon as possible. I love this outfit. I feel great. This is such a win. Okay, this next inspo outfit also has a star motif. I think I've been very drawn to stars lately, maybe because it's sort of like witchy and autumnal, but once again, my recreation does not have any stars, and I can accept that because this is about getting creative with the things I already own, not wanting to buy new stuff. I do have a different but still extremely adorable graphic cardigan, a brown miniskirt, black boots, and a neutral top. I also really like the dark, muted tones of the original, so I'm gonna try to go dark with my muted neutrals. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this is yet another winner. I love this. And I even managed to work in the star motif somewhere else because I remembered I have these little moon and star earrings and this little mismatched beaded necklace I made that has a little star charm on it. I think this is so fun. It feels subtly witchy, but still very like chill and everyday. This cardigan I recently thrifted and I've been trying to avoid showing it in videos to like save it for a haul, but I've honestly been wearing it and loving it so much. I was like, I just have to use it. I think it's perfect for this. It fits with like the dark autumnal vibe so well. I also feel like my typical first impulse with this type of outfit would be a white top. I don't know why I wouldn't normally think to go with black, but I really like what the black does in keeping the whole thing sort of, again, dark, autumnal, witchy. Very cool. The photo has tights. I'm not wearing any because honestly, it's actually pretty warm today and I'm already getting hot and sweaty enough while filming this as it is, but just imagine. And then there's also like a chunky belt, and I thought this sort of medallion one would actually be kind of perfect with this outfit. I'm really into this. I would totally wear this. This next look, we only have the top half, but this is honestly kind of like my dream style, my dream aesthetic. It feels eclectic and interesting, but still chic and elevated, but still casual and effortless all at the same time. I'm just in love. Every detail is so good. So I will be using my own red pattern jacket, a plain red top, and some chunky statement necklaces. I also have white pants. I'll add a bag in here. Surely there are shoes in this outfit, but I can't see them. It's really more about the torso part of the look for me, so we'll fill in the rest. Okay, I think this outfit is very chic. Obviously, we have the jacket, the top, the necklaces. I went with a white bag because I thought that could look nice and fresh with the white pants. And then because the bag in the original photo is sort of metallic and silvery, I thought my silver shoes could be a fun touch. And I absolutely love how they mesh with the rest of this outfit. I will say I am having one and a half issues with this. Issue one is that the neckline of this top does not work great with these multiple stacked necklaces. I mean, I think it's fine, but just if I were gonna wear this in real life, I would probably just get rid of this one. And then my half issue is that this red is extremely vibrant and this red is very worn in and faded. And I can't decide if I think they look wrong together or if I think it's fine and like it's cool to have bright red and muted red together. Let me know in the comments if you think it's working. I think it's working fine for me. With the whole rest of the outfit all pulling it together, I feel like it still looks chic and intentional, and I think I would wear this. This next look has a lot of similar qualities that I'm very drawn to. Sort of eclectic, yet sort of elevated, yet sort of effortless, but this time in a bit of a different way. What I'm most drawn to here, honestly, is the shape of these pants. So I'm gonna use my new cargo pants I got in my personalized thrifted mystery bundle video I just did recently. And then on top, I have a similar black sweater, blue button-up. I own many statement necklaces, we'll pick one. For shoes, I'm gonna try these silver ones to keep with like the slim, low-profile shoe look of this outfit. And then I would also love to add a pop of red. I don't have any socks, but we'll see what I can come up with. Okay, I don't know if this outfit is super me, but I feel super cool in it. I love the like slouchy, baggy, round shapes of everything. I feel like I captured that quite well from the inspo photo. I like the balance of muted neutrals, but then with little touches of color, like in the shirt, the necklace. And then for my pop of red, I decided to just tie a little red ribbon to my bag. That's like the easiest red accessory to add to anything, and I feel like it's honestly doing so much for this outfit. Am I blocking it with my hand right now? It's doing so much for the outfit. Can't you see the difference? I also really like that this necklace has red in it. This has really been like my saving necklace for every one of these outfits. This was gifted to me by an Etsy seller subscriber, by the way, if anyone's curious. It's Surreal Alchemy. I feel very fashion, very Pinterest girly. I feel like if I saw this on social media, I would be like, wow, that girl looks so cool. In a way, it feels a little too cool to be like me and my style, but I really like it. I may need to experiment more with this like baggy on baggy thing because it's not something I usually wear, but it feels really cool. After feeling more inspired to style my berets, I then searched for more beret outfit inspo, and lo and behold, I was met with a bounty of results. So next we have another beret outfit. I like that this outfit has a beret, and I like that it's mostly neutral, but with sort of interesting, unexpected shots of color. The orange is very cool to me. So for my look, I also have a beret. I also have, you know, dark neutral basics. I own a blazer. And then for that bit of orange, I'm kind of torn between this shirt, or these pants. I think any of these could be cool, but I'm not sure which one I'll like the best. So we'll have to see what works. Okay, I ended up taking this outfit in a different direction than I expected, but I'm super into it. So I went with this top as my pop of orange. And then I realized I don't actually own any black pants currently that aren't sweatpants, which is kind of ridiculous considering how many clothes I do own. But I went with a black skirt, which I also really like with this. I think I like this more than I would probably like pants. And then I realized these boots would make another perfect pop of orange. I also realized I really liked the original outfit also had navy blue and yellow. It wasn't just black and orange. That feels very Halloween to me. So I like that this top has some other colors. And then to accentuate that even more, I also added this green necklace. We got some greens in here. They're not the same, but I think it's working. This is so different from something I would normally wear, but I'm really enjoying it. I feel very cool. I feel very chic. I don't know where I would wear this. It feels a bit dressed up for my lifestyle, but like, you don't need an excuse to be dressed up like this. You can be dressed up anywhere you want. Okay, this next look I actually saw referenced in a video from Alberta Rose here on YouTube. Check out her channel, by the way. She slays. But I was just immediately drawn to this idea of tying a flannel around the waist of like a long overcoat. This mix of something really polished and classic with something really casual and sort of grungy is just really cool to me. So that's what we're trying here. I'm gonna keep the rest similarly simple, and I'm very excited to see how this looks. Oh my god. I am absolutely loving this. This looks so cool. The drape, the shape it creates, it's like dramatic, but also so effortlessly casual. I'm definitely gonna be using this little trick this fall. The rest of the outfit is, you know, very basic, very simple, very casual. I tried to like spice it up and add a little pattern with this bag, but I think I would honestly probably wear this with a more interesting outfit underneath than just jeans and a t-shirt. But you know, the point of this was just to recreate this element, and I think this is so cool. I'm so excited to like play around with this. I'm feeling very effortlessly cool and chic with this. I also think it is adding warmth to the outfit just having it tight around the waist. So this is just a great option that's a little different for cooler weather layering. Okay, finally we are doing one more beret outfit. It's a beret princess fall, it's a beret princess winter. You heard it here first. For this look, I'm actually combining two inspo photos because I love the idea of pairing a beret with overalls, but I also love the idea of it with like a cool utilitarian casual jacket. So we're gonna do both of those in one outfit here with a beret, see how it looks. All right, once again, this is something I never would have thought of, and I'm absolutely in love. I just kept my same t-shirt from the last outfit to make it easy, and I think it works really well with this. For the beret, I switched to my tan one this time just to like add a little more variation and nuance to the color palette so it wouldn't be so much black, because we have black boots, black leather jacket, and a black bag. I also love the pop of red in this outfit, so I added this ribbon again. Absolutely love it. And overall, this feels extremely cool, extremely Pinterest girl, but also very like casual and easy to wear and great for a cool day. Wow. I really never would have put this all together. How cute, how simple, yet unique and stylish. I feel so equipped now to get dressed for like any random day or occasion where I want to look cute throughout the next several months. All right, y'all, thanks so much for hanging out with me while I played dress up. As I'm filming this, I actually haven't tried the outfits yet, so I hope they worked out. And I'd love to hear your favorite outfits in the comments. If you want more style inspo from me, as always, my Instagram and Pinterest are linked in the description, along with my virtual personal styling services, my Etsy shop, featuring digital downloads of my art. Basically anywhere you might want to find me elsewhere on the internet, it's there. Oh, and by the way, if you do leave a comment, watch another video, and subscribe, I heard you're gonna find a bunch of great new inspo for your old favorite hat.